A few years ago, learning programming was difficult for beginners. People spent months understanding syntax, fixing errors, and watching long tutorials. Even simple coding mistakes could waste hours. But now, AI tools are making coding easier, faster, and smarter. You can ask an AI to create websites, write Python scripts, fix bugs, and even explain difficult concepts instantly. Let's take a simple example. Suppose we want to create a Python calculator. Instead of writing everything manually, we can ask AI to generate the code instantly. AI helps beginners learn faster. It saves time, improves productivity, and reduces coding errors. Developers can focus more on creativity instead of repetitive tasks. In the future, AI may become every programmer's personal assistant. But one thing is important: AI can help you write code, but creativity and problem-solving will always come from humans. AI is transforming coding faster than ever before, so if you want to become a smart developer in the future, start learning AI tools today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.